Bonjour. Let's try to imagine that I'm a French citizen, and I'm working for the French government. Despite my accent. Anyway, we wish to implement a decentralized ID system, and we thought of using the simple DID solution on Midnight. While I'm logged in, the first thing I need to do is to create a smart contract, obviously. But not just any type of smart contract. We need a smart contract attached with a digital certificate. Why? Because we want the public to be able to ascertain that when they deal with our contract, they know it's from us. Any fraudster can easily replicate our contract on chain and pretend to be French. Now, we need to use an ERC721 SBT contract because when we issue decentralized IDs on NFTs, we need the NFTs to be soulbound, hence we pick soulbound token, also known as SBT. This means the ID owners cannot transfer their DIDs to anyone else. Next, let's enter the name of the contract. And the symbol. Here's the interesting part. We need to include our digital certificate. Here it says that a digital certificate for smart contract ascertains that you are the owner of your contract so that users can trust your contract and are willing to transact. You could get a free certificate from Stamp. Let's check them out. Interesting website. Now, let's enter the certificate ASCII text. This is the certificate in X509 format. Okay, let's hit the Create Contract button and let the DID magic happen. That's it. Our decentralized ID contract has been deployed on chain. Let's check it out. Here's our DID contract with a verified green checkmark. And here are the certificate details showing our credentials. Just like an SSL certificate. When we issue an ID, the public will be able to trust the ID, because they know it comes from us. This is awesome. The next step is to issue a decentralized ID to someone. In front of me now is a French gentleman claiming he's from the future. He also has a thicker British accent like me. Interesting? He showed me his ID card and we shall now issue a decentralized ID on NFT for him. Let's go and hit the create link. First, we need to select the contract that we just deployed. Then, I shall enter his full legal name taken from his ID card. Next is the interesting part. He needs to take out his wallet and scan this QR code, so that he could sign his legal name using his wallet. By doing this, we are creating a digital signature for this information and storing it on chain. Here's how he does it with this wallet. Excellent. Now we have a digital signature for his legal name that was signed using his wallet. Now, let's go and do the same for his date of birth, which is December 1st, 1960. Perhaps he's not from the future anymore. We could also click on the copy QR code link button and send the URL to him if he's somewhere remote. In outer space, perhaps? We can see that this is his wallet address. Before we begin minting, let's do a review. Now, the details for this decentralized ID have been uploaded to IPFS, the Decentralized File Storage Network. We can view it here. All is good. Let's hit the mint token button and issue this ID as an ERC721 NFT. And it's done. Here are the details of the decentralized ID for Jean-Luc Picard. We can view the transaction on the Block Explorer. And here's the contract address and the token ID. My job is now done.
Hello there. I work as a bouncer at a popular club in New York. We seem to be having lots of French students coming over to our club lately, but I have a hard time verifying their age. I heard they got this futuristic decentralized ID thing. I'll try to use it. I just have to open my wallet and go to midnight. Here, I have to enter the contract address that issued the DIDs. I just go to Etherscan and search for that contract. Here it is. Let's copy the address and paste it here. Now, there's a Frenchman at the door and wishes to enter our club. He says he's from the future. Sure, so let's verify his age. He pops out his wallet app on the left and mine is on the right. He shows me his decentralized ID with the token ID of 0. I just have to tap on the scan QR code button and scan his wallet to get his wallet address. Done. And let's enter his token ID. Let's check if he's above 18. He told me he's from the future, so let's verify his age. Cool. He's above 18. He's not from the future after all. Alright, I'll just let him in and let him enjoy himself.